Let us see and crack a zipped file that has a password. Let us see how to crack a zipped file that has a password. So I will immediately run to my terminal. So that is my terminal, where there is I'm already in the directorate where there is a file that we are going to use for our practice. So that is the file. Let me try to increase. That will work for us. At least you can be able to see that very well. So that is our zipped file. How do we know that it is zipped? We shall say file. I'll copy. Yes. And so if you can see, it is telling us the invoice jpg.out is zipped archive data. It has zipped archive data. So, and it is compressed. If you want, you can also check with the metadata, which is by using the exif tool, and you paste your file there. So also, if you can see from the metadata, the file type and the file type extension, they're all showing that the file is zipped. So I'll go ahead and unzip that file using unzip, and I put the file, I paste my file there. So on unzipping it, I found that it has a password. Then I don't know the password that they used in zipping that file. Also, although it is zipped, but still it is secured with a password, and I don't know the password. So I'm going ahead and cracking the password. So I'm going to use another tool called zip to join. This is the tool that is going to help me out. Now, this tool, zip to join, I'm going to give it my file, which is invoice.gpt.out, and I'll first hash that file into the way that John is going to understand, and let me output it as, okay, we can use medwin.txt. We are changing it to a format that John can really understand. So after that, I will say John as our tool, and I give it medwin.txt, the file that understands. Yeah, so as you can see, it is saying loaded one password hash. It has cracked it, but we have not yet seen the password. So I'm going to request John to show us the password that has cracked. I'll say show, John show, and I give it the file that had the password .txt. So from there, it is showing the file name. It is showing the file name as invoice.gpt.out. From there, after that, it is showing the password. The password was, as you can see it, hey 2009, and it is telling us that I cracked this file evoice.gpt.out, and I found there these other files inside that file. So if we can go and list if they are in our folder, those files that have been cracked. Okay, we can first check in Medwin here. Since we have got the password, we can now unzip the file. So I'm going to say unzip I'll use unzip that. It is requesting for the password, and we already got the password as here 2009, and on entering it has unzipped that file, and it is showing us what was inside the file. As you can see, the archive note, the vendor complete summary, and the vendor contact list. So I'll stop there for now, and for that, because that's what we just wanted to see, how to crack a zipped file. Thank you.